Hey, it's Nick Fundytus from Royal LePage Performance Realty, and I'm here with my team member Kareem Ali at our new listing on Queen Mary Street in Overbrook, and it is good to be back here.
Why do you say that?
I'm saying that because I actually helped this family buy this as their first home in 2014. They've loved living in the area. They have taken steps to improve their home, but now, opportunity knocks and it's time for them to move on. And this is going to be at the start of at the center of somebody else's story.
Today we're in Overbrook, just east of Sandy Hill, right across the Rideau River. The area has 2 LRT stations, is great for schools and daycares, and has plenty of shopping and entertainment.
It's also got plenty of fantastic parks, so you've always got a lot of green space in the area as well. So let me show you this home. First of all, it has a really cute front fenced yard, which you don't see in a lot of places. It's also fully fenced and private in the back with a great deck, and the fence and the deck were both redone in recent years. Outside, beautiful front porch. It's really cute from the street, and I'll show you a little bit more inside the home. So inside, you can see how open that they've made this floor plan. It starts off with this, nice hardwood floors throughout a big open living room. And then they've got that opens onto the dining area. You've got a nice modern kitchen, and you've got sliding doors out to the deck. You can see that we've got nice big windows in the front and back. The whole area, even on kind of a gray day like today, is nice and bright. And then the last bit of nice layout is that you've got a side door, which is perfect for coming in from the cars with groceries. And it's also excellent if you're thinking of doing something like a nanny suite in the basement. That is conducive to that sort of layout. Upstairs, the full bath has been refreshed, and there are 3 big bedrooms and hardwood throughout. The basement has a great rec room area and laundry, and it's large enough if you wanted to create a 4th bedroom or a nanny suite with a little bit of renovation. One thing that's tough to tell from the video is that the ceilings are actually nice and high down here for an older home, which isn't always the case in Overbrook. The backyard is fully fenced and private, with a great deck on the south side that gets the afternoon sun.
We think you're going to love this home, and I can't wait to take you for your personal showing.
If you like this video and you'd like to learn more about this home or the neighborhood, just follow us on social media or go to nickfundytus.ca. And it's good to be back in Overbrook, Kareem.
Sorry, that's not
You have a lot.
Overbrook is one of Ottawa's bigger neighborhoods.
I won't make you laugh.
It's contained by the Ottawa River. Sorry, I was going to say.
And some other things.
And some other things. It's the west?
Start with, there's MacArthur in the north, and you can even point to MacArthur if you want. There's St. Laurent Boulevard, there's the Queensway, and then there's the Rideau River to the west.
Overbrook is one of Ottawa's most
biggest.
Overbrook is one of Ottawa's bigger neighborhoods. It's contained by the Rideau River.
No, Rideau River's that way. God, I gross myself out sometimes when I talk.